How to streaming service on Discord. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you ways to streaming service on Discord. In order to do this following procedure, first of all, check your internet connection, update your application, as well as log into your stream account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's going to take you to this interface. So from here, tap the tab bar and go ahead and tap on profile, and after that tap the gear icon from the user, and it's going to take you to the user settings page. Here you need to scroll down and look for connections. After that, click the add button and go ahead and select YouTube, which is located right at the bottom. After you're done joining your YouTube or Twitch, exit from the particular to your home screen once again, and after that go ahead and tap the server and select my server from the top, and from here you can go ahead and tap the three dot icon and go to the server settings from here. So that's basically how you can streaming services on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.